Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a profile backlink on forshare.com. So let's get started. First head over to forshare.com. Now click on login. Now click on Google to log in with your Gmail. Select your Gmail ID now. Click continue. Now check these boxes and click continue. Now click on your profile icon and click settings. Here enter your username, click save changes and click on profile. Add your website address here. Let's copy the address and paste here. Add your bio here. Now click save changes. Now click view profile page. Your profile backlink is now ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.